Ever wondered why family relationships can be so complex yet so rewarding? You see, each family is a tapestry of personalities, with each member playing a unique role. From the protective elder sibling, the nurturing mother, to the wise grandparent, these roles weave together to form a dynamic family unit. The interactions, the shared memories, the disagreements, they all contribute to the vibrant complexity of family life. It's a beautiful chaos, a symphony of love and respect, punctuated by occasional discords. Indeed, family ties are a unique blend of love, respect, and occasional disagreements. From my own experience, family has always been a roller coaster ride of emotions and experiences. It's like living in a kaleidoscope, where every twist and turn unveils a new pattern, a new perspective. The beauty of it lies in the complexity and the unpredictability. And my family was no exception. Growing up, I was surrounded by an eclectic mix of personalities. My father, the stoic rock of our family, was a man of few words, but his actions spoke volumes. He taught me the value of hard work and perseverance through his unwavering dedication to providing for us. My mother, on the other hand, was the heart of our family. Her warmth, compassion, and infectious laughter created an atmosphere of love and acceptance that I carry with me to this day. Then there were my siblings, each a unique blend of our parents' traits. My older brother, the responsible one, showed me the importance of taking charge and leading with kindness. My younger sister, the creative soul, taught me to look at the world through a different lens and appreciate the beauty in the mundane. As for me, I was the peacemaker, the bridge between different worlds. I learned to navigate the choppy waters of sibling rivalry and parental expectations, and somewhere along the way, I found my voice. Our home was filled with a cacophony of laughter, arguments, and heartfelt conversations. There were moments of joy, like when we huddled together on cold winter nights, sharing stories and hot cocoa. There were also moments of heartache, like when we banded together in times of loss, finding solace in our shared grief. One of my most cherished memories is our annual family road trip. These were not just vacations, but adventures that brought us closer. We explored new places, indulged in local cuisines, and created a treasure trove of memories that I hold dear. And while we may have had our ups and downs, I wouldn't trade my family for anything. Through all the laughter and tears, the fights and makeups, they have shaped me into the person I am today. They are my compass, guiding me through life's labyrinth, and for that, I'm eternally grateful. My family has taught me more than I could ever learn from any textbook. The lessons I've gleaned from them have been more than just about survival. They've been about living, loving, and learning. From my parents, I learned the art of resilience. They showed me that life may not always be easy, but it's our ability to bounce back that truly counts. Their unwavering strength in the face of adversity taught me that courage isn't the absence of fear, but rather the triumph over it. My siblings, on the other hand, taught me the value of cooperation and the joy of shared experiences. We didn't always agree, but we respected each other's perspectives and learned to compromise for the sake of harmony. They've shown me that diversity in thought and action is not a hindrance, but a strength to be embraced. From my grandparents, I learned the importance of preserving traditions and honoring our roots. They instilled in me a sense of pride and respect for where we come from, reminding me that our past shapes our present and paves the way for our future. These lessons have not only influenced my values, beliefs, and attitudes, but have also guided me in navigating the intricacies of life. They have shaped my character, informed my decisions, and have been my compass in times of uncertainty. These lessons from my family are the foundation of who I am today. In the end, it all comes down to the essence of what a family truly is. A family, in its most beautiful form, is a tapestry woven with threads of shared memories, personal experiences, and valuable lessons. It's the laughter that echoes in the hallways, the tears that have been wiped away, and the hands that have held us up when we stumble. It's the shared Sunday breakfasts, the heated debates over board games, and the silent understanding in times of sorrow. It's the lessons learned at the dinner table, the wisdom imparted late at night, and the values ingrained in us from a young age. Our relationships with our family members shape us, mold us, and ultimately they define us. Each interaction, each shared moment, each lesson learned all contribute to the essence of what family means to us. It's a beautiful, complex, sometimes messy, but always rewarding part of our lives. Family, with all its complexities and rewards, is truly the heart of our lives.